Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 23rd week of pregnancy in this video. In the 23rd week, it is important to take foods that are rich in potassium. Figs are a nutrient-dense fruit that can offer several health benefits during pregnancy. Figs are a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including almond milkshake. Ingredients: fig, 5 to 6 no's, almond, 7 no's, milk, 250 milliliters. Figs, almond milkshake, for the 23rd week. Let us see how to make this. First, soak fig and almond overnight. In a blender, combine soaked figs, almonds, and the soaked water, blend until smooth. Now, add milk and blend for 10 to 12 seconds. Serve chilled or warm. No sweetener needed. Figs, almond milkshake. Figs and almonds are excellent sources of iron, helping to prevent anemia during pregnancy. This shake packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats which provides essential nutrients for both the mother and baby's development. And then, hope you liked the 23rd week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.